It is day 18 and I'm at 186 pounds. I don't know why, but I'm really excited about today. Got lots of energy. I think I finally slept really good last night. I'm ready to take this day on, and not to mention, it is cold. Oh man, it's cold. I'll put the weather right here for you. It's brutal. Also gonna be trying these out today. I haven't had these flavors, but C4 is pretty good. It's quite the sunrise. It may look strange on the camera, but that's literally what it looks like. Man, I wish I could stop and show you the shot. There is a rainbow coming out of the sunrise. It's pretty incredible. Man, the sunrise this morning was nuts. There's like a crystally mist going on, and I think that's what's causing the rainbow, but man, is it beautiful. Okay, I just had to find a spot to stop and show you this, guys. Well, I made it to work safe. One thing I'm gonna do today is definitely stay consistent with my eating. Last night I was craving so hard, I wanted to eat a cheat meal so bad, but I'm saving that for Friday night, going out to a restaurant. But today I'm gonna eat good. And another thing I'm gonna do, based on your guys' comments actually, and if you weren't aware, I actually read every single one of them and take them to heart. I had someone recommend using my Apple Watch to do a competition with somebody. I've done that before. I don't know why I didn't think of that this time, but I'm totally gonna find at least one person, if not multiple people that I know, to start competing with to give me a good active week. So thank you for that comment. Thank you for the suggestion. Leave more comments for me, suggestions, challenges, how I can improve. I definitely appreciate every comment. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's see what this day has for us. So here you see me setting up my fitness challenge with Rocky. So he initiated it. Now I'm checking my watch, and there it is. Competition with Rocky. So let's go ahead and accept it now. Game on. Well, I had a really good work day. I'm excited to see if I can go to the gym or not. Otherwise, I'm feeling really good. I've been eating real good today so far. Man, is it cold still. It's about 4 degrees. That's not including wind chill. It's brutal. So let's get home. I get to go to the gym. I'm super excited. I have not lifted in what feels like forever. And I also got new watch bands today. I'm excited. I told you today was going to be good. So far, it's been nothing but great. Woo, that sun. Yeah. I'm so happy to be back. Alright, today was a pretty great day. I ended up going to the gym, and then I cooked a really good dinner, rice and fish again, spent time with my family, and it was pretty good. So as far as my water intake today, using the WaterMinder app, I was able to track at least 100 ounces of water so far, and I have another 28 to go. I like to drink about a gallon a day. I ended up this morning weighing exactly 186 pounds, which is super exciting. That's 5.6 pounds down. So I feel like I'm making really good progress. I wanted to thank you guys so much for your comments. I ended up starting a competition with a good friend of mine, Rocky. So if you're watching, Rocky, thanks for watching. And that'll start tomorrow. So for 7 days straight on Apple activities, if you have an Apple Watch, you can compete with a friend. So hopefully this will both motivate Rocky and will motivate me to push ourselves for the next 7 days. So again, great tip, great suggestion there. I would love more comments and feedback from you guys. What other challenges you think I should try, or maybe some tips and suggestions suggestions. I love reading your comments, and I definitely take those and try to apply them as much as I can. I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep tonight and possibly going to the gym first thing in the morning. Tomorrow is my cheat night, so I'm gonna go out with my wife. We're gonna have a good meal. So I'm really excited about tomorrow. I definitely want to encourage you guys to keep pushing, keep doing what I'm doing. Stay consistent with your workouts, stay consistent with your nutrition. Definitely get some rest. As you can see, for the last few videos, I've done a lot of resting, more than I had wanted, and I was very excited to be able to go to the gym again today. So just stay consistent, and if you keep following my videos, hopefully I can be an encouragement to you guys to push forward. So for 80 days, I am challenging myself to stay consistent, and I'm hoping you will too. So I wanted to say goodnight and thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.